Alright, short one today. I've been working on a better movement for the AI. I'm using an algorithm called A star and I'm visualizing it here. The blue squares are walkable path and the red cubes are not. What I do is I check from above what is placed on the ground so that the ground is walkable. If there is something with a layer that is not walkable, like an obstacle, then they can't walk there. The nice thing with this is that I can make objects that are destructible and the agents will still use that path. The green lines are where the agents are heading, and I'm now giving them instructions to find the red cube. So the agents here still plan to go to the red cube even though the destructible walls are in the way. And what I do is I make them a attack priority that favors closer targets within a certain distance. So they will attack the walls before they go to the cube. As you see here, they are changing target to attack the walls. I've also been working a bit with turrets and explosions. They work quite well. I just need to decide how I'm going to do it with restrictions and further progression. I can move them and place out turrets now. And I guess that's it for today. So have a wonderful day.